Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss the most important words from the editorial sides of 19th February 2022. Okay, 19th February 2022, and the first word is asylum. ASYLUM, asylum. ASYLUM, asylums means the protections granted by a state to someone who has left their home country as a political refugee, जिसको कि हम हिंदी में शरण और आश्रय स्थान इसको डिनोट करता है. Okay, asylums means the protections granted by a state to someone who has left their home countries as a political refugee, and the synonyms of asylums are harbor, refugee, retreat, sanctuary, sanctums, shelters. These are the synonyms of asylums. Okay, next word is accrue. ACCRUE, accrue. ACCRUE, accrue means a benefit or sum of money received by someone in regular or increasing amount over the times. Okay, accrue means a benefit or a sum of money received by someone in a regular basis or increasing amount over the times, and the synonyms of accrue are result, arise, follow, ensue, emanate, stems, springs, flow. These are the synonyms of accrue. ACCRUE, accrue. Next word is refoulement. REFOULEMENT, refoulement. Refoulement means the act of forcing a refugee or asylum seekers to return to a country or territory where he or she is likely to face persecutions. Okay, refoulement means the act of forcing a refugee or asylum seekers to return to a country or territory where he or she is likely to face prosecutions. Okay, here the only word, there is no such synonyms I found on the with respect to the refoulements. Okay, so the next word is bigotry. BIGOTRY, bigotry. Bigotry means unreasonable attachments to a beliefs, opinions or factions, in particular prejudice against a persons or peoples on the basis of their membership of a particular groups, जिसको कि हम पक्षपात और कटुरता भी कहते हैं. उसी के सेंस में बाइगोट्री को यूज किया जाता है. BIGOTRY, बाइगोट्री. एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ बाइगोट्री आर प्रीजुडिस, bias, partiality, sectarianisms, discriminations, unfairness, injustice, intolerance, racism. These are the synonyms of bigotry. Okay, next word is fatal. FATAL, fatal. Fatal means causing death, जिसको कि घातक और प्राणनाशक कहते हैं. उसी सेंस में यूज किया जाता है फैटल. FATAL, फैटल. एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ फैटल्स आर डेडली, लिथल, मोर्टल, किलिंग, इनक्यूरेबल, मैलिग्नेंट, ट्रेजिक. दीज आर द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ फैटल. FATAL, फैटल. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज predicament. PREDICAMENT, predicament. Predicament means a difficult or unpleasant or embarrassing situations को हम predicament कहते हैं. predicament, 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 predicament. Okay, or the word is predicament. Predicament means a difficult or unpleasant or embarrassing situations, and the synonyms of predicament are mess, difficulty, issue, trouble, crisis. These are the synonyms of predicament. Next word is enumerate. ENUMERATE, enumerate. Enumerate means mentions one by one. There is so many things, number of things present, and we mentions one by one. In that sense we use the enumerate. ENUMERATE, enumerate. And the synonyms of enumerates are list, catalog, mentions, specify, summarize, recount, recapitulate. These are the synonyms of enumerate. Okay, next word is probity. PROBITY, probity. Probity means the quality of having strong moral principles or honesty and decency. Okay, probity means the quality of having strong moral principles or honesty and decency. And the synonyms of probity are integrity, honesty, morality, goodness, virtue, honor. These are the synonyms of probity. Okay. Next word is arbitrary. Arbitrary, ARBITRARY. Arbitrary means based on a random choice or personal whim rather than any regions or systems. Okay. एक पक्षीय को हम आर्बिट्ररी कहते हैं. एक पक्षीय सेंस में हम आर्बिट्ररी को यूज करते हैं. ARBITRARY. आर्बिट्ररी. Arbitrary means based on random choice or personal whims rather than any regions or system. And the synonyms of arbitrary are capricious, random, erratic, unpredictable, wild, casual, irrational, illogical. These are the synonyms of arbitrary. Okay, that's the top 10 words of the date of 19th February 2022. Okay, thank you.